Hi guys, welcome to my channel Women's World. This side Pratima. So guys, today I'm going to talk something that is within every new mom. So I'm going to talk about the toxic positivity in parenting. So guys, you must not understood the meaning of toxic positivity. As I'll start talking about it, you will definitely be able to correlate if you are a new mother, or also if you are a journey wherein you don't get time for yourself, whether there's a lot of thing happening within you but you're not able to express it. Just मैं आपसे अब शेयर करने वाली हूँ कुछ सिंपल बातें जो आई एम श्योर आप कहीं ना कहीं कोरिलेट कर पाएंगे. And trust me guys, by end of this video you will feel relaxed, comfortable, you will feel happy about yourself, because this parenting phase teach you a lot of things, not just holding on to patience, but yes, a lot of small things जो हम generally consider नहीं करते हैं. There are a lot of things that you need to avoid, a lot of things that keeps happening around you which you really don't want to be part of it. बहुत सारी ऐसी सिंपल छोटी छोटी बातें मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ. सो गाइज़, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा, बिकॉज यू नो बीइंग अ मदर दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी पर्सनल टू मी एंड आई एम शेयरिंग इट आउट विद यू ऑल. यू विल ऑल्सो फील कि आप अकेले नहीं हैं, ये सबके साथ होता है. ऑलवेज लुक आउट द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट इन एवरीथिंग. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से एट द मोमेंट, बिकॉज अगर आप नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे हर चीज़ को लेके एंड यू विल फील दैट योर लाइफ इज़ हेल. आप बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है और ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचना है, बिकॉज यू आर समवन जिसने एक और लाइफ क्रिएट की है. सो यू होल्ड ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस इन एवरीबडीज लाइफ, वेदर दे शो इट टू यू और नॉट, बट येस यू डू होल्ड ह्यूज इम्पोर्टेंस. सो ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन योर माइंड. एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली, आप अपनी वैल्यू करें. यू कीप योर वैल्यू हाई ऑलवेज, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. चलिए गाइज, स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को. मैं कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें आपसे शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. सो गाइज, एज अ पेरेंट इट इज़ नॉर्मल टू फील लाइक समथिंग इज रॉन्ग when you experience anything other than pure joy while parenting. It is even more challenging during the pandemic, जब mom or dads are managing parentinghood alone without the support of their extended family. Parenthood is very new to every parent and हर किसी का way of parenting is different, so you really can't compare between the two parents upbringing their child. So guys, I was talking about the toxic positivity in parenting. So I'm sorry that I'm shooting the half of the video in the next day, because उस दिन मेरी डॉटर उठ गई थी एंड आई कुड नॉट कंप्लीट द वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट. एंड लेट्स कंटिन्यू टॉकिंग अबाउट द टॉक्सिक पॉजिटिविटी इन पेरेंटिंग. गाइस, आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट फाइंडिंग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली ड्यूरिंग द पेंडेमिक is also very critical. So holding on to all the responsibility alone is very stressful. If possible, then look out for help. Please distribute the work between the partners. That will also help you out, and that will also allow some time for your own self. What happens when the people around you overlook your concern and enforce a cheerful approach to every challenge? Guys, so many efforts has been made, but that is being overlooked by a lot of people around you, and they always push you to take these challenges in a positive way. Sometimes it's possible, sometimes it's not. While it can be good to stay optimistic about the future, at times a person is all just need a ear and a shoulder. So there are times when you feel hard to cope up with the day-to-day challenges that you're facing as a new mother into your motherhood journey, whereas your friends and family always insist you to stay positive in this challenging time and to ignore the feeling that is being accumulated in you during the parenting. I will just want to say one thing: take out time for yourself, which is very very important. Staying positive is very important, and this is something हर कोई आपको बोलेगा, but how to stay positive वो आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू समथिंग आउट ऑफ माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई हैव ऑल्सो बीइंग फेस अ लॉट ऑफ चैलेंजेस ड्यूरिंग द journey I have been through. It was really difficult for me at times to cope up, because I feel that people around you are always there to criticize, always there to point out your mistake, but nobody ever understands the effort that you put in. Toxic positivity in parenting is very, very common. All parents do face it, do suffer it. How you can keep positive, that you can take out time for yourself, you can do the pampering. If you have any hobby, you can continue doing it, and उसी के साथ you can indulge yourself in the multiple things that makes you happy. Do painting, you can do something creativity, some DIY, whatever makes you happy. And the most important tip I wanted to give it to you is to believe in yourself. Being a new mother, you don't have any help, and if you don't have anybody who's experienced at home, and whatever you're doing out of your own strength, out of your own mind, out of your own knowledge is absolutely perfect. You're doing absolutely great. So just believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and have faith in your efforts, and let's try to spread the positivity as much as possible. So guys, this is all about today's video. I hope you like it, and if you do, then please subscribe कर लो मेरे channel को guys, और let's make it a big family. Please like and share करें मेरे इस वीडियो को, और thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.